You know, they can give away food for those that have nothing. I know they do that in India. And for those that, everybody has to have a turn working the food line. Something like that. Where you're not just doing nothing and accepting handouts. You have to do something. And that's not about being vindictive to people. That's about the fact that every human needs a purpose. Hear that church bell? Yeah, a human without purpose. If you have all the money in the world, and your whole life, all you did was accumulate money, that was your goal, and you have no real hobbies, no other interests, that's as much of a prison as it is for somebody that has no money. But maybe the person with no money does have interests and hobbies. Growing up in Los Angeles, I mean, I grew up in a capitalistic society. When I first came to Serbia, I was so shocked by people, you know, working in a store that would talk me out of buying something because they thought, well, you don't need that, it's not good for you, something like that. I was shocked. That doesn't exist in California. People want to sell you something if you need it or not. Доброе утро. So, you know, that's the thing about morals. You still got to have morals. Your only goal can't be just in that place. You can't be just making money at no cost. And people actually kill for that. I know, personally, I don't want that heavy feeling on me of doing something to somebody else. I way prefer knowing I didn't harm anyone. But that's just me. You know, some people think way different. And of course, that's what makes the world interesting, makes the world dangerous. Look at all these. Speaking of danger, I mean, that's like a 100-year-old cannon. 80-year-old. Доброе утро. Hello. These cool gift shops. Chinese tourists. There's a lot of Chinese tourists here. Hello. Доброе утро. Alright, stand out of the way from this vehicle. There's the Dino Park section. Now when you see dinosaurs, we always picture them in this like kind of steamy, swampy environment. Did they contend with snow? I'm sure somebody has a clue about that. No, today we're going to walk down this way. These are actually tennis courts. They have clay courts here. They have grass courts here. No wonder Serbs are so good at tennis and basketball, right? They have nice courts for them to practice on. I like the sport of tennis. I'm not good at any of those hit the ball with the stick kind of sports. Kick the ball. I have done them. I was always a bike rider, BMX, skateboarder, surfer, skier. Best thing I can do is ski. Which is amazing because I can't dance for nothing. And it's not that I don't have rhythm, because if anything, I do have rhythm. I can't play a musical instrument. I've tried. But as an engineer, I made dance mixes back in the day where you actually had to cut with a razor blade and paste with tape. I miss those days. It's doing something with your hands. I always say the film industry, what made movies magic was film. It was just such more of an art form than today. I mean, it's still an art form today, of course. But it's just different. I mean, when I worked at Warner Brothers and the tour was in its infancy, and it was still a time of film, so in the late 90s, there was something to see. It was very interesting for the tourists to see a dubbing stage. In my mind, it's still amazing. It's like you're in this submarine tube with all these tape machines. I mean, so many, and they're all identical, synced up, racking back and forth music and effects, dialogue, music and effects on a dub stage. That was interesting. Now the tour comes by and they see one guy clicking a mouse. Yeah, it's progress, of course. It's less jobs. Talk about needing to feel like you have a purpose. A lot of that's gone away. So I'm going to clean the lens really quick. I don't know if it's wet or not, but we're going to give it a little scrubbing. I think what I'm seeing is just fog. Maybe we'll go this way. It's a little more serene. Yeah, everybody needs to have a purpose. In fact, it's really good to practice something and to feel good about that. Like right now, what I'm ashamed of is my lack of speaking Serbski. I'm not good at languages. And I somewhat have PTSD from growing up. German was my first language, and I have das Gehör from Deutsch. I can still speak it a little bit. I can understand it, of course. Aber Sie müssen sehr langsam und deutlich sprechen. Und dann kann es verstehen. But I went to German school, and because I grew up in America, I stopped speaking German around being 8 years old. My parents, especially my dad, he made sure we spoke German in the house. But he was the first to learn English because he went to work. My mom didn't learn English till I was like literally 8 or so, and about the time that she did was the time that we used English more. In fact, the way my mom spoke, every other word was German or English, whatever she could think of first. And I come here, so I have some PTSD about speaking a language incorrectly. And I shouldn't. I don't think it's insulting to anyone to try. But so Serbsky is very different from English. The mouth movements, there's Cyrillic, first of all. I mean, come on, talk about a challenge. And then there's just the Latin. The letters, those are, the combination of letters are not ones you ever see in American or in English. You just don't see that. Now there's always a J, followed by an I or E or something like that. In this country, you'd literally be followed by a D, and you're like, huh? And people here are so smart that they speak English, and even when they say they don't, they'll have no, I don't speak English. And they'll have a whole conversation with me in English, or at least understand me. And because of that, I haven't been forced to learn the local language here. But it is to my embarrassment, and it's something I need to put effort into instead of just coasting. If people didn't speak English here at all, and on top of that, if I didn't have access to foreign media, I'm certain I would have learned a lot more by now. Learning is difficult. It takes effort. To learn anything takes effort. And it's not comfortable. You have to practice learning. If you practice learning, you get better at learning. We're gonna go this way. Yeah, nobody wants to do anything that's not comfortable, but the people that are good at pushing themselves